Welcome. Let me quickly explore with you how to use the Canva text to image. So on Canva right now, you can now use the text to image. So how do you go about it? Just choose any layout you want to use. Let me use A4. So when I choose any layout I want to use, I will come down. So when you come down, you are going to see the word apps. So on that app, let's just search immediately text to image. So we search text to image, and this is text to image over here. So I click on text to image and I search the word a boy from Africa, a boy from Africa. Let me just say a boy from Africa. Yep. Okay, I don't want it to be this. Let me use the word photo. Let me just use the word photo. Then I search, generate your image. Although there are a lot of options below, so we are going to give those options a try, but I would just want you to see the result first before we give it a try. So Canva will give you images, 4 images, then you take one out of them. So this is how they can interpret the boy from Africa. Yeah. So let's give it a try again. Start all over again. Okay. A boy, a child, driving car, my driving car in a city, modern city. Photorealistic, photo illustration. Let's do with photo and illustration. So with this one right now, I'm going to get the same 4 results. Then I will use those 4 results for anything that I want. So this is basically how it works. So from here, I mentioned illustration. So this is definitely an illustration. So this is how to get the Canva text to image. I would like you to give it a try. It is actually totally free, colorful child, totally free. Give it a try and I know you will like this. So most of you that are looking for ways to use AI text to image picture, you need to come and try this right now. Black boy with colorful environment. Create a game. So this is text to speech. How do you see it? I think this is not bad, although there are a lot of alternatives to this, so you can also explore other alternatives to this. I think I'm getting a nice picture for the first time. So this is one of the AI pictures that we have over here on Canva. Give it a try and I'm very sure that you will like it. The same way you can also use it on mobile. Remember, you can also give it a try on your mobile phone and I'm sure you will like it. So thank you. I'll be right back.